afternoon and welcome to County Corvette. One of our customers driving this beautiful 63 Corvette down the road. All of a sudden it shot off on him. He cranks it over, it goes kaboom. He sees smoke. He gets out and opens the hood. Oh my. This is my next project. Something ignited. Could be fumes, gasoline fumes in the oil pan, and the car got hot, and who knows how. And you can see it blew the valve cover right off, sheared the upper bolts off, didn't break a push rod, didn't bend a valve. They unloaded it off the tow truck. We connected up the battery, hit the key, it started up, it's running smooth as glass. All the valves are moving, nothing looks out of the ordinary. So I guess I'll have to put my thinking cap on this afternoon, do some real good diagnostics on this one for sure. Never a dull moment at County Corvette.